Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. There's no need to struggle with complicated lessons. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll naturally improve your English while exploring fascinating facts about the United States. Today, we are diving into a topic that often surprises people. Why does Texas say it can leave the U.S.? Texas has a very unique history, and understanding it will help you not only with your English, but also with your knowledge of American culture and law. Let's start from the beginning. Texas was once an independent nation known as the Republic of Texas. After winning its independence from Mexico in 1836, Texas existed as its own country for nearly 9 years. It had its own president, money, military, and international recognition. In 1845, Texas decided to join the United States. When it entered the Union, there was a lot of discussion and negotiation. Many Texans believed that because they had been a sovereign nation, they were different from the other states. Some myths even say that Texas was given the right to leave the Union whenever it wanted. But is that true? Legally speaking, the answer is no. When Texas joined the United States, it agreed to the same constitution as every other state. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in 1869, after the Civil War, that no state can unilaterally secede from the Union. The decision was clear. Once you're a part of the United States, you stay, unless all the states agree otherwise. However, Texas does have some unique privileges. One interesting fact is that Texas can, if it chooses, split itself into as many as 5 smaller states. This idea was mentioned during its annexation agreement, but has never been done. Even today, the idea of Texas exiting the U.S., comes up in political discussions. Some people believe that Texas is so big and independent that it should be its own country again. But legally, secession would be extremely difficult, and it would require changes at the national level, not just in Texas. So why do people say Texas could leave? It's more about pride, history, and the spirit of independence than about actual law. Texans are proud of their unique identity, and their history as a former nation is something they will never forget. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about why Texas sometimes talks about leaving the United States, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's the perfect way to review what you've learned and keep building your English and cultural knowledge. Please give this video a like and share to help us keep growing and creating even more wonderful content for you. See you in the next adventure.